Look at this. Look at this big old lure we got right here. Holy, somebody had a bad day. Looks like a light off something maybe. Welcome to Prime Time Magnet Fishing, where history meets adventure beneath the water's surface. Join us as we embark on a journey, tossing our powerful magnets into rivers, lakes, and canals, pulling up relics of the past, mysterious artifacts, and sometimes even weapons lost to time. Come along for the ride as we uncover secrets, clean our waterways, and dive into the unknown with Prime Time Magnet Fishing. Hey, I'm on the Little Manatee River in Ruskin, Florida today. Just about in the late evening here. Sun's about ready to set. We're gonna get some magnet fishing in here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and enjoy. Oh, look at this. We got ourselves a pair of snips here. Nice pair. Pretty good functioning. Look at that. Got something down there. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. It looks like a big piece of aluminum plate or something.
I got it.
Can you pull it this way?
Whoa.
Oh, you got it? Look at it. Can you? Look what we found.
Yeah. Only mouth part in there is the nails.
That vinyl?
I don't know.
No, it's aluminum. That's aluminum. Alright, look at you go, girl. Yeah, this one has one. Yeah, look at that. Yes. Check out this huge pipage right there. Too bad I wasn't closer to home. Yeah. I'll take this with me. I'll just put it by the garbage here. Check out that puppy. Right here. What do we have here? We have an old bolt that's been in there for a while. Does look like some sort of pipe here. No. What is this? What kind of pipe? Aluminum or something? Off a boat or something? I don't know. Look at this. This is just like down on the swamps, overhanging trees, Spanish moss. Wow. That's something. Look at this. Look at this big old lure we got right here. Holy cow. Check him out. Yeah.
Oh, he's after
Nah, nah, my magnet fish and what we got here. Look at this. We got ourselves a pen. That's first, believe it or not, that's the first pen I ever found. Hey, how's it going? Oh, we got some stuff. Look at this. What do we have? We have, of course, Corona top. We have a sinker. I don't know if you can see that sinker. Look, it's going right through my finger. And a bunch of crusties. Oh, what do we got here? What it is. Hook. Ooh, got some stuff here. What do we, ooh, car keys. Look at this. We were just talking about car keys. Get these on there. I scared him away. Oh, we got something hanging here. Finally. We got a piece of a fishing pole here, I think. Keep feeling like I have something dragging there, but I think it's all the clamshells, and I got a Corona. And what bead things. And we got some sort of wire right there, if you can see that. Oh, a nice razor blade. Get that out of the water. Where a fish cuts himself shaving. Oh, let's see. Look at this. We got ourselves a lure here. What's left of a lure? I'm trying to guess who has got an orange pop or soda. Corona Light. I would never guess. Not much of a drinker. All this. Oh, we've got a piece of metal here. What's this? Piece of metal. What is this thing? Huh. Point to it. Oh, what do we got on here? Look at this. What is this thing? It's a dual Mickey. What we got here? Oh, we got some kind of barnacle here. Look at this. A little bit of color left on this. And a bunch of scrapolas. Okay, we got ourselves a, what do they call it, straps. Oh, what do we got here? We got some live wire here. got something here. We got our whole self. Lobster trap. They're still tied somewhere. Yeah, we got a lobster trap. Oh, look at this. Somebody had a bad day. Lost their cell phone. It's a pretty new one. Okay, they always say check the back, see if they got money. And we've got no money. No money. Corona. Nikes. You got some color. What do we got? What is that? I don't know. What's that? Yeah, just talking to myself, talking to my camera. I got a YouTube channel, Magnet Fish. Yes, I got something here. What is this? We got some. Oh, it's not even magnetic on this end. There's this thing. Huh. Look at that big old hook. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is that? You got a flower. I don't know what that is. Tie. Hook, got a little bit of everything there. Nail. Ooh, got a little bit of hookage here. We just got a bunch of crap. Holy cow. Look at that. Some kind of lure. And crusties. Ooh, nice washer right there. It's a nice one to get a washer. See if we can see through it. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. We got an eyeball looking at us. Yeah, that's what Dom was telling me.
Oh, yes. But Dom and I were the first. We were out here one night.
8-foot shark.
Wow.
We were just bullshitting, me and him, and all of a sudden my rod bent over. Dom screamed, James! And he ran to his car. When he came back, she broke me off 3 times.
Wow. What's this thing?
Oh, that's a weighted hook.
Ah, weighted hook. Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah, weighted hook.
Not a big fisherman, so.
Magnetic?
What's that?
Lead?
No, man, lead isn't, but got the hook.
Southpaw.
Yep.
Yeah, bet you won a lefty relief pitcher and you still have a job.
I didn't realize in sports how being a lefty was so beneficial. Don't know what that is. Ooh. Look at that. Got some flesh on there. Well, he lost his pole. He lost his pole. I got here and he's like, I lost my pole. We were just talking about you. We were wondering if you were going to show up tonight, see if you could get my pole. And some fish dragged it out. They weren't paying attention. And then they were fishing more. And he got his line tangled up in the line. He pulled it in. It was his pole. Pull back, yeah. Something here. Whoa. What do you think that is?
Magnetic.
Yeah, that's something in there. Let's see, what do we got here? We got a nail, or no. I don't even know if that's like an old hairpin or something. Something there, I don't know what that is. And a bunch of crusties. What do we have here? We have a lure. Look, check out that lure. The heck kind of lure is that? See, I'm getting that. Never seen anything like that. And a bunch of crusties. We got some color again here. What do we have? We have some kind of hook or something there. Oh, we got a piece of metal there. What do we got here? We got an old bottle cap. Here we have, I don't know what we have here. Fairly magnetic here. What that is. Oh, big old hook right here. A big old hook. You dance on the magnet, dance on the magnet. Oh, we got a Berkeley nail clipper. Okay, we got hooks. Hooks hook and a sinker. We've got some more crusties. Look at all these. We got crusties. We got magnet shells. Piece of metal here. I don't know what that is. Right from a ancient Spanish ship. Look at all these. Another hook. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at this. Some piece of metal here. Bolt. More hooks. Now look at this, more hooks all over the place. Look at that big old hook. Big hook right there. What do we have here? We have some metal bits. It's like an old bolt or something. Old bolt. Piece of metal. We got some more stuff here. What is this? A chunk of metal right here. kind of clamp thing here. More just chunks of metal. Oh, we might have something here. It feels a little heavier. What do we have here? More chunks. More chunks. Ooh, look at this. What is this? Holy cow. What is this? Looks like a light off something, maybe? Huh. What is that? Look what else we got on here. We got a little knife on here as well. Little blade. A hook and some scraps. What do you got there? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Hey, nice meeting you.
I'll see. I'll be the guy. I'll say.
Okay, all right. Oh, we got part of a lure here and some scraps. What do we got here? We got some hooks. Oh, some scraps. Get yourself an old bottle top right here. And a pelican. And more scrapolas. Let's see, we got a big chunk of something here. More pieces of a blade. Or not blade, of pieces. Get blade in my head. Pieces of fish hooks. More hooks. Big one there. Nice big bowl right there. Got some kind of bar right here. Big bolt, that's what it is, big bolts. I'm not sure what that is. See right through there. Ooh, we got ourselves a battery energizer. This looks like one of those old ones off my Fuji camera. Hook. Hooks. What is this? What is this? Something for you to identify. I know what that is.
That's what we were hooking it on later.
That was probably a diode that collects the. They put diodes on the back of the boat, and all the minerals go to the diodes instead of.
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. That bolt, big bolt.
They're usually made of magnesium.
Yeah. Yeah.
It collects all of the minerals instead of collecting on your
The
own.
magnesium
They're usually just a strip.
Are they magnetic?
That wide? No, they screw them to the boat.
Yeah.
And then they
Oh,
wear
yeah,
down.
yeah, that must be that piece right there then. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video here at Cockroach Bay. Found some stuff, found some cool stuff, getting something almost every throw. Hope you enjoyed the video. Picking up a bucket here, making my way back to the car. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Take care, see you soon, adios. Welcome to Prime Time Magnet Fishing, where history meets adventure beneath the water's surface. Join us as we embark on a journey, tossing our powerful magnets into rivers, lakes, and canals, pulling up relics of the past, mysterious artifacts, and sometimes even weapons lost to time. Each throw is a step back into history, revealing the hidden stories of our waterways. From rusted old tools to forgotten treasures, every find tells a tale. But it's not just about discovery. It's about preserving our environment. We clean our waters, one magnet at a time, and take our scrap metal to the scrapyard, turning history into a little bit of pocket change. Come along for the ride as we uncover secrets, clean our waterways, and dive into the unknown with Prime Time Magnet Fishing.